Good afternoon, you guys. Smoking hot out here. April 4th, 2023. I just stopped by this fella's blacksmith shop. I'm in Bohol, I think it's pronounced. And I see all these coconut choppers things. I'm at the factory where they're all made. They look beautiful. Bohol, Philippines. So I'm going to check out the merchandise because I'm in the market for a coconut chopper. I got coconuts in my yard now, and that's a tool I'm going to need. But if you look at the axes the guy makes here, Filipino style axes, Filipino style crowbars, some different axe heads there. Some stuff's manufactured elsewhere, I think, but different choppers. That's how they cut the grass here, grass cutters. Pretty cool stuff. We got the guard dog. We got the heat, the forage. Hey guys, how you doing? You need some cold beers back here.
It's okay?
Oh, I love it. Yeah. Cool. No problem. No, thank you. Nice. Cool shop. Oh, candy wine. Yeah. That's good. No, I like the beer, but good. Nice shop.
Yeah.
You put on. Yeah, I got spring steel here. Leaf springs from cars. Got the little blower fan here. Gets her nice and hot. Big pry bars. Very cool, yeah. Gonna plug the fan in. See, it's still hot. Hot. Better than the bellows.
Yeah.
That's okay, don't do it for me, but thank you. Yeah, it gets hot fast. Right on. Cool shop, very cool. The anvil, big piece of steel for the anvil. Hammer down. I like it. Nice. Yeah, so now I gotta do some checking out here. So I just checked out some of the different variations. This one here is a horn of a carabao on there for the blade, or the handle I should say. But that's 800 pesos, no?
And this one, 1,000.
1,000 pesos. 800.
Same price, 850.
850.
And this is 450.
450. I'm gonna get the 450 one. Take it home and chop some coconuts.